Alright, so we're going to do take two on the wheel. We'll go File and New and create a new part. You can call it Wheel. I'm going to hit Cancel because I already have a new part up here already. So, create this wheel. We're going to go to Front and click on Sketch. And we'll hit the Sketch button here. Now we're going to draw a circle. And click on that blue arrow there. This wheel is 1.5 inches in diameter, so that's 1.5 the diameter. And again, you can hit the refit button to kind of zoom in. And then we'll hit the blue check mark for done. And now we're going to extrude this. And I'm going to hit this pull down menu over here to extrude on both sides of this datum plane, because it's right now it's just extruding on the one side here. So I'm going to extrude on both sides like that. And the thickness of this wheel is 3/4 of an inch. We'll change this to 0.75 and press enter. And then we'll hit the green check mark for done. So there's the basic shape of our wheel. Now we need to cut it down just a little bit. We'll click on the face of this circle, the wheel, and we'll hit the sketch button. And we'll hit sketch again. And now we'll click on the circle, starting in the middle. Because this wheel is cut out just a little bit in the middle of it, we'll draw a circle like that, and we'll click on the blue arrow. And the diameter of this inside cutout part is 7/8. And the thing about Creo is we can type in fractions and it'll change it to decimals for us. But we'll go 7/8 for 7/8 and press enter. And you can see it changes it to 0.875, which is 7/8 in decimal form. And so there's that, and we'll have to hit the blue check mark. I'm going to rotate this just a little bit so it's a little easier to see. And we'll hit the extrude tool. We're going to flip this direction. Now comes a little bit of a guessing game on how deep to take this. We're going to go with about 1/2 inch, which is pretty close here. We'll type in 0.5 and press enter. And we're also going to hit the remove material button. And we'll hit the green check mark. And so there's starting to be cut out of this the wheel a little bit. We need to do sort of the same thing on the back side here. To cut out some of this, and let's go. Oh, let's see. We're going to simplify it just a little bit. And we're going to click on the back face here. We'll hit sketch. So click on that surface there. Make sure the sketch plane says surf for surface. We'll hit sketch. And we're going to draw 2 circles. One starting in the middle here, coming out towards the outside. We'll change that to 1 and enter. And then we're going to draw another circle here. And this outside circle diameter on the blue arrow is 1 3/16, or 1.188. That's not right. I'm sorry. Let me remeasure that real quick. How about 1 and 7/16? Sorry, 1.439 is what it should be. And press enter. That's better. And now we'll hit the green, the blue check mark, and we're going to extrude. We're going to flip the direction, and we don't want this to go all the way to the end, or to the inside here, so maybe 3/4 of an inch, or 0.75 here. Yeah, let's change that to 0.625. How about that? That'll give us a little bit more material. Then we'll hit the remove material button and hit the green check mark. So now there's the inside cutout that we'll have, and then we need to draw the little part where the axle goes in, and that's just a series of circles here. So we're going to click sketch, click on this face, and we'll hit sketch, and we'll draw a circle. And the outside diameter is going to be 2 circles that we're going to draw here. The outside diameter is going to be 0.25, and then here is going to be, this inside one is going to be 0.125. Press enter, and then we're going to hit the blue check mark, and we're going to hit extrude, and we need to extrude this out 0.25, or 1/4 of an inch, so 0.25, and we'll hit the green check mark, and there is there's one. We'll turn the datum planes off just so we can see it a little bit better. So that's our wheel. It's a little more basic than what the actual wheel might call for, but I think it will work for us as we draw this up, model it, our catapult and everything. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the axle that will attach into this wheel. So make sure you file and save it into Indesk, and then make sure you save it to the H drive, which is your name, and you can save all your stuff to your H drive. If you have any questions, by all means ask.